Everybody needs their calves strengthened, and I love using the risers on the step to help. Now, don't be afraid, it will not tip over. I've done these for years. You just want to put as little of your foot on the edge of that riser, and you're just going to go up and down. Now, I'm really focusing on keeping my weight over the big toe and second toe. You don't want to crawl out to the pinky. You want to maintain a good push, and this is going to strengthen not only the feet, but the calves and the ankle as well. So I'm pushing from both. I'm going to switch real quickly and do one at a time. So remember, I've got very little of my foot on that riser, and you're focusing on the lift. You also don't want to let the heels, I just switched feet, drop too low. You want to keep them even with the foot or just a little lower so you're not straining the Achilles. So I'm going to go back to both of them, and I'm going to hold the last couple seconds at the top. Contract that calf, and then melt into the stretch right there. Feel that long calf. We are done. Calf work, 1 minute, using the risers. Until next time.